In this video, we will look at IntStream. There are many different ways to generate a stream of integer primitive values using IntStream. The first is to use the off operator, IntStream.off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will generate a stream of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next is to use the iterate method, and in this I am iterating from 0 and generating a IntStream of 5 even numbers. It will generate a stream of 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. We can generate an stream using generate method. Here I am providing a random number generator, and it is generating a random numbers with bound by 10 and generating 5 random numbers. We can generate IntStream using range method. Here I am providing the values. Providing the values of the arguments from 1 to 5. IntStream range excludes the second operand, so it will generate a IntStream of 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is exclusive. The second operand is exclusive in the range method. The other way is to basically use the range clause. In this, the second operand is inclusive in the range, so it will generate a stream from 1 to 5, including 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's create this example in IntelliJ. So let's create a new Java class, and the class name is IntStream example. So let's create a public static void main PSVM, and first example using off. So IntStream numbers is equal to IntStream dot off, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or till 5. And let's print out using numbers.off, numbers dot for each, and system dot out dot println colon println. Now let's print a spacer, system dot out dot println, and now the second example is using iterate. So numbers is equal to IntStream dot iterate. The seed is 0, and it will generate numbers in even numbers. So I and I plus 2, and numbers dot for each, system dot out dot colon println. Now let's copy this spacer, paste it. Okay, so the third example is using random generator. So in this case, numbers is equal to IntStream dot generate, and here we can just directly use the random. So random and new random, and next integer dot limit, and 5. Let's print out the spacer, and the next is to basically generate using generate. Generate we already covered, so next is to basically use the range. So numbers is equal to IntStream dot range 1 to 5 and numbers dot for each and dot numbers dot for each and system dot out colon print. The other method is to use the range close. So numbers is equal to IntStream dot range closed and 1 to 5 and numbers dot for each and system dot out dot print colon println. Let's copy the space here. And now let's run this example. See which one is unbounded. So iterator C I plus 2 dot limit 5. Now let's run this example again. So you can see that it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 using off operator, and then even number limit 5 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and IntStream dot generate random number, basically generated 1, 2, 3 and 4 and random generator would not print out the random generator value. So let's put it over here and let's run this example again. So now we can see that random generator basically generate 5 values and range 1, 2, 3, 4 and range close is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.